In the data-driven landscape of today, Google Sheets serves as a popular collaboration and data management tool, offering cost-effectiveness, ease of use, and versatility for businesses of all sizes. Its cloud-based nature and intuitive interface make it accessible from anywhere and empower even non-technical users to participate in data analysis and reporting. What if we could empower these Sheets users to create a centralized data layer, streamline data management, and enforce consistent data governance? Looker's integration with Google Sheets bridges this gap by providing a powerful yet familiar interface for accessing and analyzing data directly within Sheets. This eliminates the need for manual data exports, reduces the risk of errors, and empowers users of all skill levels to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Let us show you how you can bring in data from Looker inside Sheets for analysis. Connected Sheets users can leverage Looker's semantic model, which serves as the central repository for business logic, metrics, and dimensions. This ensures everyone is working with the same trusted definitions, eliminating discrepancies and confusion. Looker's governance features, like access controls and data lineage, extend to connected Sheets, ensuring that sensitive data is handled securely and responsibly. Connected Sheets maintains a live connection to Looker, ensuring that data is always up to date and reflecting the latest insights. Looker Studio's integration with Google Sheets provides instant utility by transforming your tables into shareable dashboards and reports, eliminating manual data transfer. This streamlines your workflow and allows for real-time insights and collaboration. Plus, you can easily customize your visualizations, providing a Google Easy starting point for your data story. Looker Studio is our Google Easy way to visualize your data. Inside your Google Sheet, find the Extensions menu, click on Looker Studio, and there you go. Your report is ready to go. It's literally that easy. One size doesn't fit all. Looker Studio lets you personalize your reports, choose the charts that fit your story, add your brand's colors, and even create interactive filters for deeper dives into your data. Data's meant to be shared. Looker Studio makes it a breeze. Send a link to your team, embed reports on your website, or even collaborate in real time. Get everyone on the same page quickly. Looker Studio isn't just for spreadsheets. Connected to all your data sources, Google Analytics, BigQuery, and it's your one-stop shop for turning data into decisions. Looker's integration with connected Sheets empowers business users to make data-driven decisions directly in their familiar spreadsheet environment, eliminating the need for complex data exports and ensuring everyone is working with a single source of truth. Transform Google Sheets into a powerful analytics tool by connecting it to Looker, enabling seamless exploration, analysis, and collaboration on your most critical business data.